I think every one of us who is married recognizes how vitally important it is to maintain a healthy and happy marriage relationship. If you don't do that, it could end in divorce, or it could just be lifelong drudgery, misery with this other person. It's in your own best self-interest to try to cultivate a happy and healthy marriage. And so Jan and I have found that one of the most important things to do is to spend time with each other. When we went to seminary, I covenanted together with her that I would set aside certain time when I would not study. And this would be time that we would spend together. And I wouldn't allow my studies to encroach upon it, even if that meant I was going to get lower grades. And not only did I do that through seminary, but through doctoral work, and now on into my academic career. We still have these times that are set aside for each other when I just don't study, and I put those away. And I think this gives you the opportunity then to connect, to continue to live one life together rather than to allow your lives to go off into separate paths. Certainly one of the biggest challenges, I think, to a marriage relationship is having children. That demands upon both parents, but especially upon the mother, are just so exhausting and stressful that this can put great strains on a marriage. But I would just want to remind folks that there's life after children. In fact, in the long run, they will be with you for a relatively short time compared to the time before and after they're gone. And so you don't want to be living with a stranger when the kids go off to college. It's in your best self-interest to keep cultivating that relationship so that when they do finally go away, it's like being newlywed again. It's just you two again in the house instead of having other people in the house with you. And that really is wonderful, I think.